Okay guys, good day guys, welcome back to this channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe, please do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I definitely would love to watch for it. Please make your comment. I would want to watch out for it. So we would be looking at US30 for this week. One thing I'm trying to tell you, one thing I'm going to let you guys know is that a reversal move on US30 is actually playing out, or will I say is going to play out, or is actually playing out anyhow you will want to see it. A reversal move, thereby you can see that this US30, we are actually on a bearish move. US30 is dropping, right? So I'm happy to tell you guys that a reversal move will actually be going up. So we will be expecting a bullish move in the long run on US30. One of the reasons is that we all know there was an increase in interest rate this Wednesday, right? And it was followed by one more hike in interest rates. After that, then the Fed will start looking to cut down on interest rates. One of the reason is the reason why they made that decision was that bank failure and everything. They are considering the bank and everything. They are being careful in increasing the interest rates. So once there's an increase reduction in increase interest rates, we tend to see the stock markets go up, and the currency itself tends to go down. So when you take a look at your DXY, you see your DXY is actually dropping, right? And we all know that there is a correlation between our DXY and also US30. So once we are seeing a drop on DXY, we expect a bullish move on US30. So in the long run, we will start expecting a bullish move on this US30. So basically, if you are yet to invest in any of this US30, I think it is time for you to start buying out some couple of shares on this. Right now, you'll be able to get it at a good price, compared to later, whereby the price will actually increase. So this is the best time to actually start going. So this movement, right, we can see that there is a multiple rejection here. So price is literally failing to break down on the technical aspects. So I will see this move like probably the first movement upward, then a correction. So I will be expecting kind of like a bullish move. Probably this week, if we don't break, we will be expecting to break this ice. If we don't break it this week, I believe by next week we'll break it. So we have 2 weeks to actually take out this ice. It just depends on the news that is going to come out this week. And there are some major news that is going to affect the stock markets. One of those news we'll be expecting on Tuesday, which is consumer confidence. It's going to have an effect on the stock market. Definitely you will see it. And we will also be expecting a major news on unemployment claims, also the final GDP. So they are going to have an effect on this US30. So that is why I want you to actually become one of these Patreon subscriber. So on this channel, we cover the stock indices like Nasdaq 100, US30, S&P 500, gold and natural gas. So any of these, right? If in case you trade any of these, then definitely you need to be on this channel. I'm going to put a link to this channel in the comment section. So just check the comment section, sign up. Once you sign up, you'll be able to get access to all those trades that we'll be putting. And one of those trades that we actually took this week on US30, I'm going to put in the video in this channel. So once you check this channel, right, just check the channel. The video that we actually pin up, you'll watch it. US30, we actually made in a prediction that we would get to a certain level, and we actually got to that level and we profited from it. So if in case you need a setup on any of these, be it Nasdaq 100, be it US30, be it S&P 500, or gold or natural gas, then definitely you need to sign up, become one of our Patreon subscribers, so you get access to this, right? And we will cover some of the news that will be released and how it will affect the stock markets and how to trade it. So if in case you're really interested, give it a try for just a month by subscribing to this Patreon channel. So back to this my analysis, like I said, we will be expecting a bullish move, right? And when I said it, that we will be expecting this price to actually take out this ice. It just depends on when it actually take it out. Is it that we take it out this week or we take it out next week? That is if there's not going to be any major, bank failure and everything. Then I'm sure we will not get that drop. If not, we might start seeing this year starting going up little by little, little by little. But the news that will be released will actually play a key part on this movement. So that is why I want you to subscribe. Once you subscribe, you get access to all those things that I'm just talking about. So now downward to the 4-hour time frame. Take a look at this movement, right? So what do you expect on this 4-hour time frame? of course you expect a rejection at this level. So simple thing, a correction, right? After the correction, what do you expect next? Another impulse move, right? So that is exactly what I'll be expecting. But this correction could be a big one, hereby to come to tap this liquidity, because you see this level here, you can see here. This is kind of like a liquidity level. Price is very much likely to give us one more drop. So price will look something like kind of like an impulse move down, a correction, right? Another impulse move down. This can seem to be a correction before you start to give us the final movement that want to take out this liquidity, then price will start riding up. So you need to be very, very careful on when we jump in to take our buy. So that is why I said everything we are going to cover it on this Patreon channel. So if in case you're interested, why don't you just give it a try for just a month? Sign up to this so you will get set up on any of this trade if in case you're interested in any of this trade. By the way, so sign up and we would watch out for it.